So as usual, we are going to create a new sequence, and we will call it demo3. Hit the create button. And here I'm going to show you something which is very interesting. Let us assume that you need to use some of the activities which we have used in the previous sequence. So what I can do is I can go to the previous sequence. I can copy whatever activities I need. So I can just hit Control C, and I can go to the new sequence, and I can hit inside the sequence. I can hit Control V. So as you can see now, the activities were copied from demo 2 sequence into demo 3. From demo 2 sequence into demo 3. Now demo 2, I don't need it anymore. We will just focus on demo 3. And now I just need to remove write range because I am not going to use it, and read range. But I'm going to use Excel application scope. Instead of dragging the new Excel application scope, providing again the file path, I can do it in this way. So this is how we can reuse the same activity which we were using before. Now what we need to do, we need to actually search for read cell. We need to go to read cell, and we will drag read cell activity into our sequence. And I need to specify the sheet name. Let us assume that I want to copy from sheet 1, and I want to copy the ID cell. I need to copy the ID cell from A1, because in A1 there is a value which is ID. There is a value which is ID. And as I said before, I need to save it into a certain variable. We will head first plus read cell, and then we will go to the output from the property, and then Control K as usual. I'm going to create a new variable. This variable I will call it cell data, or I will call it cell, and then after that enter. So now this variable is assigned for this activity. This variable is going to hold the data temporary, what is available in A1. So what is available in A1 now, it is going to be saved into this variable temporary. After that I need to write. So I'm going to search for write cell. And then after that I'm going to copy write cell under read cell, and then I need to specify the sheet. Let us assume that I want it to be on the same sheet, but I'm not going to use A1. I'm going to use D1, and I need to provide the variable from where it should get the value. So the variable name is what? The variable name is cell. So I'm just telling the activity, please go to this variable, get the value, store it in this Excel sheet name with this particular cell ID. So now my sequence is running. So it is done already. Now what we will do, we will go to the source file, and we will see if the data was copied. As you can see, this value which was A1 from sheet 1, it was copied to sheet 1 D1. So this is how we can copy a value from a particular cell to a particular cell using UiPath.